Papper online system, we are helping and changing the connectivity of the entire corrugated production line to the base paper through the base paper RFID management system. The electronic chip and the base paper are combined together, and the powerful monitoring and management function is realized by using the existing mature technical means. And we also provide a friendly human-computer interaction interface. Each group of base paper holder is configured with a touchscreen display. Display the corresponding information of a certain layer of paper can be dynamically displayed. Not only that, it can also be set into the system according to the user's requirements for automatic monitoring and implementation, and can also carry out full coverage of traceability, thereby eliminating the tedious manual operation. Thus, the base paper starts from the warehouse, with the help of electronic chips, ERP system, pipe system, base paper online system formed a perfect information closed loop. Outstanding advantages: replace paper labels. Base paper RFID chips can be used multiple times, and the cost of long-term use is lower than that of paper labels. Automatic identification of paper classes. The base paper holder sensor antenna can identify RFID and monitor the whole process of base paper use online. Retroactive order paper. Using the timeline distribution method, the cardboard order and the base paper can be traced using the whole match. General test base paper weight. Record the length of base paper used in meters, and implement seamless monitoring of the true gram weight of all base paper. Automatic addressing to paper splicing. Paper varieties are identified according to the production schedule sequence, thus achieving automatic addressing to the paper holder. Return to warehouse without weighing according to the remaining radius of the base paper. Accurately calculate the proportion of the remaining paper to get the weight of the warehouse. Base paper tracking. Location positioning system plus RFID is used to visualize the storage location and direction of base paper. Limit and control paper substitute behavior. Base paper varieties do not match. Machine illegal replacement paper. Production management control machine slowed down or disabled. Real-time raw paper accounts. There is no need to manually exit the warehouse, and the stock of base paper can be obtained in real time according to the dynamic incoming and outgoing data. Paperboard real-time cost. The real cost of paperboard is obtained by extracting the turn-on and turn-off time of raw tube and the actual consumption of base paper. Smart material handling system control specification. General principle: fully automatic, distribute to each machine according to production. When the buffer area is not full of paper stack, the paper stack sandwiched in the middle can be automatically transferred out. The machine operation can be changed before the paper stacks are delivered to the designated machine, or the paper stack can be automatically supplied to the machine through the production plan. 1. Corrugator line control. Under normal circumstances, when the paperboard in down stacker of corrugator, the logistics system received the stacked paperboard information from the third-party system. The third-party system needs to pass the data to the logistics system when the stacked papers are discharged. The logistics system distribute cardboards to the relevant area according to the product specification. If they need to be delivered to a specific machine, the direction of data needs to be accurate to specific machine. If you need to attach the tracking sheet, stop the cardboard at the first module belt conveyor. Manually paste the label in the designated position. If there is no need to attach a tracking sheet, the cardboard is transferred directly forward. Adjacent cardboard stacks can be arranged according to customer requirements and then forward. 2. Control before enter stacking area. After down stacker from corrugator, the stacked papers can pass through the dehumidification station according to the process design during the conveying process before the paper stack enters the stacking area. On the basis of the process logistics route, the logistics system can automatically divide the process according to the direction provided by the third-party system. The system will no longer control the area where the stacked papers enter the takeout or the manual turning area. Process route 4. After buffer area, go to the printing box. Processing. The paper stack is sent out to the printing machine. The material calling system or a third-party system provides the material calling information, and the smart material handling system receives the call. Material information is automatically searched from the storage area for the corresponding paper stacks to be delivered via RGV transfer and module conveyor to the printer station where the material is called. Stacks called out of the warehouse are not allowed to return to the warehouse. Process Route 5. After scheduling the buffer area, cardboards to the water printer folder and gluer, processing the paper stacks coming out from the corrugator, and go through the conveyor system, they will be sent to buffer area automatically, and then through the fast channel to suitable position before the flexo folder gluer. The ordering information is provided by the ordering system or third-party system. The Smart Material Handling System receives the call information and automatically searches from the storage area for the corresponding stacks to be transported via RGV transfer and module conveyor. Stacks called out of the warehouse are not allowed to return to the warehouse. After the processing of the FFG line is completed, boxes will be palletized by robot. Then automatically label and go to storage manually. 3.2 Processing control of box making. After the completion of the first box processing machine, the information of the discharge of the semi-finished product can be provided by the third-party system, and the third-party system needs to transmit the data to the Smart Material Handling System when the semi-finished product is discharged, or manual input the order information into Smart Material Handling System. The information of the work order being processed, the logistics conveying system will automatically send the discharged semi-finished products to the corresponding buffer area according to the data information of the discharged semi-finished products. In principle, the stacking rules before entering the stacking area must be complete, and if manual sorting is required, information needs to be provided to the logistics system. The hand-arranged stacks and any other external sources of papers, if they need to enter the system control area, need to provide papers information to the logistics system. If the data is lost, the logistics system will alarm, and the data needs to be manually recorded on the computer. When the paper stack is transported to the storage point, the system automatically stores the information of the paper stack to the corresponding area for storage. 3. Cardboard water printing box process transport control. 3.1 Processing control of manufacturing box. After corrugator line, stacked paper boards go into the paperboard buffering area, and then there are 5 main process routes. Process Route 1. After buffer area, go to the flat die cutting box processing. When the stacked paper boards are sent out to the flat die cutting machine, the calling information is provided by the calling system or a third-party system, and the Smart Material Handling System receives calling information automatically. It will searches for the corresponding paper stacks from the storage area to the call die cutter via RGV transfer and module conveyor. Stacks called out of the warehouse are not allowed to return to the warehouse. Process Route 2. After buffering area, go to the rotary die cutting box processing. The paper stack is sent to the rotary die cutting machine, and the material calling information is provided by the material calling system or a third-party system, and the Smart Material Handling System receives calling information automatically and searches the corresponding paper stack from the storage area to the call rotary die cutter via RGV transfer and module conveyor.